Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand Dictation from Daily Dawn. Report by Amir Yasin. Start. Eid shopping sees dip in enthusiasm and rising inflation. Full stop. With a few days left for Eid, bazaars and malls in the Grecian city appear to be buzzing with crowd of people, but for the city's traders, there is a drop in business activity compared to previous years. Full stop. And they blame it on the reduced purchasing power of people. Full stop. Eid shopping remained dull in the first weeks of the holy month of Ramzan, but it is now gaining momentum, but at stalls and small shops trading in ready-made dresses, shoes, shirts, cosmetics, and various other articles. Full stop. As far as businessmen with shops in main shopping malls are concerned, sales have dropped. Full stop. Shopping malls such as Zarloon Plaza, Gakhar Plaza and Shahbaz Plaza on Bank Road, as well as in Chota Bazar, Moti Bazar, Bada Bazar, China Market, as well as Rabi Center and Dubai Center, witnessed a slump in sales, whereas smaller shops or stalls in Chota Bazar, Moti Bazar, Bada Bazar, and Commercial Market drew huge number of customers belonging to lower income groups. Full stop. Affordable prices at the outlets are attracting buyers of limited means. Full stop. Vendors on the roadsides of busy roads and intersections are also doing brisk business this year as due to financial constraints, people of modest income have cut down their budget while the affluent section of the society has nearly completed their shopping. Full stop. Sheikh Umar, owner of a garment shop in Sadr, told Dawn that less activity had been witnessed in the bazaars as mostly people engaged in online shopping. Full stop. Most people visited the shops for window shopping, he said, adding that in the past, they closed the shops late at night, but this time they only work till 11 p.m. Full stop. A shopkeeper at Moti Bazar, Junaid Salim, said had started visiting bazaars in the last 2-3 days, and that too late in the night to avoid traffic congestion. Full stop. Farhanda Bhatt, a housewife, said that did not like visiting the bazaar late at night, but her children insisted as they enjoyed the hustles and bustles. Full stop. But, there is less activity in the market compared to past years. People do not have the budget to do Eid shopping this time around. Full stop. Rawalpindi Cantonment Traders Association General Secretary Zafar Qadri told Dawn that this year less rush was witnessed in the markets for Eid shopping as purchasing power of people had reduced. Full stop. There are two main reasons of less activity in Sadr this year: traffic and inflation. Full stop. Less people visit the markets in the last days of Ramzan as there is issue of parking. Full stop. Besides, the cantonment authorities have dug up roads to carry out development work, he added. Full stop.